So if you have the opportunity of learning a foreign language, what language would that be?
I love Chinese.
I can. She have a Korean boyfriend.
Okay.
Farida Haske. Farida, how are you? Alright, so Farida, she just started learning Korean language just a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
So she called me to teach her how to use the Chinese. So I'm not calling the Chinese chopstick, the Asian chopstick. Yeah, the Asian chopstick. So we are currently at Brigade, and it's my second time coming here. The last time I came here, I felt embarrassed a little bit, so I called a friend of mine who is a popular face in Kano to take us to a spot where we can mix the local dish with the Asian chopstick.
Yeah, absolutely.
So are you ready?
I can't wait. Yes.
Are you ready?
Even though I'm feeling like I will embarrass myself today, but a little bit, I will feel confident, more confident.
Okay, so let's go then.
I've been on the right day. Put me on a lulu, cause I be going solo. From KK to Isolo, now you look me like Itolo. Cause many self they don't know we they also like this YOLO.
Getting into the car, I found out that my friend came with his other friends too, so I knew it was gonna be a really fun-filled day. So we embarked on our journey entering Brigade. So while going, they showed me the signpost. You can see that written Brigade there. So we just entered Brigade. So where I was standing with Farida earlier was not Brigade, it was the outskirts of Brigade. So I decided to create a conversation.
So if you have the opportunity of learning a foreign language, what language would that be?
Okay. I love Chinese.
Okay.
That would be the language I would
Chinese
love
language.
to
So
learn.
we
Yes.
have to now. We gotta take that.
Yes. I love Chinese so much.
So what is about Chinese that you love?
The way they play with their word,
Okay.
like their intonation, the way they'll be shouting, but it's not, they are not actually shouting. That's the intonation there.
Nigeria, what is it?
What?
I mean, what is your name? So you just say, well, Jiao, then your name. Well, what means I, then Jiao means name, then Shi is. Shi is.
Jiao.
Well.
Something like that.
Man, before I knew what was happening, the kids in the area already surrounded us. Well, I'm not surprised. I'm used to it.
So guys, we are currently at Brigade, and this is Rap Monster. Of course, he's a celebrity in Kano. He's a rap artist. He sings.
The choices that we made was out of my way. But no regret, I no go ever slide it. For money matter, I've been on the right day. I've been on the right day. Put me on a lulu, cause I be going solo. From KK to Isolo, now you look me like Itolo. Cause many self they don't know we they also like this YOLO. You see me on the road like it good. Go away, my blessings come my way.
So I called him up to take us around Brigade because I don't want what happened the last time to happen again. So Rap Monster, where are you taking us to? Because I want to teach my friend Farida how to use the Chinese chopstick.
Right now we are two other bus stops, so we are going to be trying some local dishes.
Okay.
We have our
Okay.
we have winner.
Chinese word for today. Chopsticks is called Kuaizi. Kuaizi.
Guys, here is the Chinese chopsticks. Alright, so we have the plastic one, we have the wooden one, we also have the silver one. So Monster, have you tried it before? Have you used the Chinese chopsticks before?
No.
So Rap Monster will be trying the Chinese chopsticks today because he's our host. And Farida also, who is learning Korean language, will also, because she have a Korean boyfriend.
Okay. Alright.
Opa. So she will be trying it out as well. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use the Chinese chopsticks. Are we ready?
Yeah, you're ready.
Let's go, guys.
似山般绝代风华，又像你们
Salam alaikum.
茶自轻松。
So we chose this spot to quickly film since these kids will not just let us be. They surrounded us and followed us like everywhere we go. So we bought that for 1,000 naira. Yes, very affordable. It's 15 naira for each one. And then we start to film based on street things now, like I said in the introduction.
So it's time for you to use the chopstick. We usually use the thumb finger. This is the thumb finger.
Okay.
We usually use the fourth finger, this one. And we usually use the middle finger and the ring finger.
Okay.
So this is what you need. This is what you need. Yes. So you grip it like this.
Yes. Okay.
Your thumb and your
This like this.
ring finger. Yes. Okay. You tried, alright? But you still have to make it. When you hold it like this, it's going to grip tightly. Yes. So Farida is trying again.
Like this back. This.
Yes.
Then.
Yes.
Let me see the
Can
smell.
you speak like that?
Yes.
Farida is struggling to speak. So I think Monster is actually getting it right.
Yes.
And this
Now.
is because he has his thing to learn Chinese language.
Well, you know, this is my first time using chopsticks. So,
Okay. So try again.
okay. Let
You
me
want
give
to
it.
marry your past, so you should have the zeal.
Yes. Why not?
Don't worry, just take it. I don't know why I'm laughing at you, but just take it gradually. You learn it.
Oh my god.
I can. You have to carry that. So let me teach you again. Don't worry, I'll teach you again.
Yeah, teach me.
Okay, Monster,
God.
yes.
为莺莺丑小盘执着，似过荔枝摇。
We are not going anywhere until you get it. Like, see what I do? Yay!
你们天涯，
Farida got it.
茶自
That's my friend.
You look very easy.
飘凡情，
Yes.
Yay!
I don't do.
He got it.
I don't do.
It looks very, very easy. Let me watch it. Let me watch it on YouTube. Very easy. But look at, I was sweating. Like, I was struggling. Thank you guys, and you guys should learn how to use chopsticks.
Yes.
I'm going to learn Chinese. You guys should learn Chinese. And please subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.
Thank you for joining me and thank you for showing us around the
You're
game.
welcome.
Wallahi, I think eating is so easy.
Very
Yes.
easy.
Thank you guys for
Make sure you
watching.
subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.
Next show. Ciao, ciao. See you guys in my next video. Side chair.
It was such an amazing day, and honestly, we had so much fun. And these guys, you see, are the main MVP because I felt so protected filming in Brigade. And here is us going to where we parked up our car, ready to move. And did I tell you guys that some guys came from another area and was asking us to pay them? Just imagine it was just me and Farida filming in Brigade. It wouldn't have been funny. Please hit the subscribe button, like my video, share to your families and friends, and I hope you learned something from this video. See you in my next video. Side chat.